Design WA is a really important new suite of policies to guide development in our state. It places emphasis on getting design quality and built form outcomes in WA.
The policies focus on assessing development proposals against design principles and objectives to ensure better outcomes as our urban areas grow and intensify. This performance-based approach supports flexibility and greater creative scope. It is a move away from a checklist deemed to comply approach and requires all parties to engage more deeply with the design of developments.
The new approach requires this more considered response from assessors and decision makers, whether it be the councillors or the JDAP members. It's about actually having an on-balance judgment and actually thinking about the context and the priorities for that actual location rather than something more generic.
Design WA provides a clear framework to help with these decisions. Every new development must respond to the 10 design principles of SPP 7.0, Design of the Built Environment. These principles are the basis from which assessments on design quality will be made. A thorough understanding of the design principles will help guide your decision making.
State Planning Policy 7.3 R Codes Volume 2, which is commonly referred to as the Apartment Design Policy, will change the way we assess development applications. This policy applies to multiple dwellings in areas coded R40 and above and mixed-use developments and activity centres. And what it effectively does is it replaces Part 6 of the existing R Codes.
Design review will play an important part of the new process towards performance-based decision making. Design review panels provide independent, expert design advice to key stakeholders, including proponents and local government officers. Their reports and recommendations will be used by decision makers, including DAPs and the SAT, in determining development applications.
Of course, the quality of design review advice is vital, and that's why the Design Review Guide has been released as part of Design WA Stage 1. It's the key resource for establishing, understanding and guiding the operation of the design review process. It aims to improve the clarity and consistency of reporting to assist decision makers. Assessing officers will need to provide evidence to support their recommendations, including any advice they've received from a design review panel. Designers and architects also have a responsibility to ensure that they participate in the process of design feedback by providing legible and concise information.
Their advice should help decision makers understand how the development achieves the design principles and demonstrates good design. The design review process, along with this solid evidence base, will help support innovative proposals that benefit the area, a concerted step away from the previous deemed to comply checklist approach.
All of this benefits the communities we serve by ensuring approved developments actually make a positive and enduring contribution.
The shift in focus from compliance criteria to evaluating performance against principles and objectives presents both challenges and opportunities. Everyone involved in the production and regulation of the built environment will have to adapt to this new framework, and this will understandably require a period of adjustment and transition.
We all value the importance of our built environment and how it shapes how we live and work and play. Design WA gives proponents, planners and decision makers the framework to prepare and support the outcomes of good design across the built environment. It has ongoing benefits for the creation of vibrant new communities and appropriate additions to existing ones.
The department will continue to work with industry and the profession to help you use the new policies. If you need help, the Design WA team is only a phone call or email away.
Design WA will be a great success if we all work together to help improve the design of our built environment.